Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a spice that's not just for your pumpkin lattes, cinnamon. Ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat it every single day? You might be surprised. Stick around as we uncover the incredible benefits and some unexpected effects of daily cinnamon consumption. Benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Just a teaspoon a day can boost your immune system and protect your body from oxidative stress. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's break down some of the amazing benefits you could experience by adding this aromatic spice to your daily routine. Sure, here are 12 benefits of eating cinnamon every day. 1. Improves blood sugar control. Cinnamon can enhance insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. 2. Rich in antioxidants. It contains powerful antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Boosts heart health. Regular consumption may lower cholesterol levels and triglycerides, reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Supports brain health. Cinnamon may improve cognitive function and memory, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 6. Enhances digestive health. It can help alleviate digestive issues like bloating and gas, promoting a healthier gut. 7. Promotes weight loss. Cinnamon can help regulate metabolism and curb cravings, which may assist in weight management. 8. Fights bacterial and fungal infections. Its antimicrobial properties can help combat harmful bacteria and fungi. 9. Reduces stress and anxiety. The aroma of cinnamon can have calming effects, helping to reduce stress and improve mood. 10. Improves oral health. Cinnamon's antibacterial properties can help fight bad breath and improve overall oral hygiene. 11. Supports immune function. The spice can boost the immune system, making the body more resilient against infections. 12. Regulates menstrual cycles. Some studies suggest that cinnamon can help alleviate menstrual pain and regulate cycles. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine can provide a variety of health benefits. So, how can you incorporate cinnamon into your daily routine? Here are a few delicious ways. Cinnamon in your coffee. Add a sprinkle to your morning brew for a tasty twist. Overnight oats. Mix it into your oats for a flavorful breakfast. Smoothies. A dash in your smoothie can boost flavor and nutrition. What happens to your body? All right, now for the big reveal. What happens when you make cinnamon a part of your everyday diet? Digestive changes. You might notice improved digestion. Cinnamon can help reduce bloating and gas. Weight management. It can help curb cravings and stabilize blood sugar, which may assist in weight management. Mood boost. Aromatherapy, anyone? The scent of cinnamon can actually lift your mood and reduce stress levels. Potential downsides. However, not everything is sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about some potential downsides. Allergic reactions. Some people may experience allergic reactions. Always start small. Liver toxicity. High amounts of Cassia cinnamon can lead to liver damage. Stick to Ceylon cinnamon for a safer option. So, should you start eating cinnamon every day? With its myriad of benefits and a few precautions, it could be a fantastic addition to your diet. Remember, moderation is key. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and let us know in the comments how you enjoy your cinnamon. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.